Taylor Swift has beaten a £800,000 lawsuit accusing her of stealing ideas from an author. There's been bad blood between Taylor and the Mississippi woman who claimed the singer stole aspects of her self-published book of poetry for her companion book for her album Lover. Teresa Laudert has dropped her copyright lawsuit against Swift, months after the singer's lawyers called it a case that never should have been filed. The author sued Swift, who has released tons of music recently, last year. She claimed that a number of creative elements from her 2010 book, also called Lover, were copied into Swift's album Companion. In a motion filed on July 27 in Tennessee federal court, Laudert's lawyer said she would permanently drop the case. Taylor Swift tickets. Here's where to get front-standing tickets for Eras Tour. Laudert's sudden voluntary dismissal is not the product of any settlement. It came after Swift's lawyers criticized the lawsuit in their last filing. They demanded the case be dismissed and said it was legally and factually baseless and never should have been filed. Legal experts told Billboard a similar thing. They said that Laudert was essentially suing Swift, who recently had a fan arrested for trespassing, over stock elements that could not be monopolized by any one author. The lawyers said, this person might as well sue anyone who's ever written a diary or made a scrapbook. Don't miss. Taylor Swift fans break into song on Delayed Flight and divide with viral video. Latest, Taylor Swift tickets £3,540 each. The world has gone mad, says Paul Baldwin. Opinion. Taylor Swift tickets, UK Eras Tour dates, locations, prices and more. Tickets. Dropping the case might have saved Laudert from financial ruin. If she continued the lawsuit and had lost, she would have had to repay Swift's legal bills, which would have totaled thousands of dollars. Swift, who recently dated Matt Healy, released her album Companion in 4 different versions, and they included a total of 120 pages of personal diary entries with photos. The lawsuit claimed that Swift had borrowed a number of visual elements, including pastel pinks and blues and an image of the author photographed in a downward pose. Laudert also claimed a copyright to the book's format, including a recollection of past years memorialized in a combination of written and pictorial components and interspersed photographs and writings. Swift's lawyers argued that the elements weren't unique enough to qualify for copyright protection. Attorney Doug Baldridge wrote for Swift, "This is a lawsuit that never should have been filed. These allegedly infringing elements, each a generic design format, are not subject to copyright protection. Thus, defendants could not possibly have infringed plaintiff's copyright." Meanwhile, Swift will have to pay thousands in fines for leaving trash outside her home.